Ride in style. Schwinn Koen BMX Kids Bike. The coolest 20-inch bike for boys and girls aged 7 to 13. The ultimate kids bike for confidence and fun. Get ready to experience the thrill of biking with the Schwinn Koen Elm BMX style kids bike. Designed for kids aged 7 to 13, this bike is perfect for young riders who are ready to take on the streets. The SmartStart technology gives them a ride that's lightweight, stable, and easy to control, thanks to features like forward-positioned pedals, smaller grips, and a low standover height. Whether it's a trip around the block or a fun-filled afternoon at the park, the Schwinn Koen BMX bike ensures kids are riding with comfort, style, and confidence. Grows with your child, the bike that keeps up. As your child grows, so does their bike. The Schwinn Koen Elm BMX bike features a tool-free adjustable seat, allowing for easy customization as your child grows taller. The adjustable seat post and slack seat tube angle ensure that this bike grows with them, providing the perfect fit for years of fun and adventure. Gone are the days of constantly buying new bikes. This durable, kid-friendly design adapts to their needs, saving you money in the long run. Plus, the seat handle makes carrying the bike a breeze when it's time for a quick break. SmartStart technology, a game changer for young riders. What makes the Schwinn Koen BMX bike stand out from the competition? The SmartStart technology. Engineered with kids' unique proportions in mind, this technology makes it easier for young riders to stay in motion. The lightweight alloy steel frame provides extra control, and the narrow pedal position ensures balanced pedaling. From the smaller pedals to the light frame, every element of the Schwinn Koen is crafted to match your child's natural riding style. This bike is not just any bike, it's a kid-centric engineering marvel that keeps them pedaling confidently, every time. Easy braking, safe riding. Safety meets ease with the Schwinn Koen Elm BMX kids bike. Equipped with both rear coaster brakes, pedal backward to stop, and front hand brakes, this bike is perfect for teaching kids how to stop like a pro. As they grow more comfortable, the transition to hand brakes becomes a breeze. The coaster brake provides smooth, simple stopping power, while the hand brake prepares them for bigger, hand brake-only bikes. So, they'll never be left struggling when it comes to stopping, just smooth sailing all the way. Affordable, durable, and packed with extras. When it comes to quality, the Schwinn Koen BMX bike delivers. Built with a rigid frame, chain guard, and kickstand, it's a bike that's as tough as it is fun. The added number plate gives it that cool BMX flair, making your child feel like a pro rider. With a limited lifetime warranty, you can rest assured this bike is built to last, ride after ride. Not only is it affordable and long-lasting, but the Schwinn Koen BMX bike also includes all the extras that make it a standout in the market, from the easy assembly to the extra comfort features. It's the bike that keeps giving.